Welcome to a review of a very interesting septic system I designed at a large humane society. This new system has a 4,500 gallon per day flow and 3 Presby mounds totaling 7,500 square feet. This new system was installed by Ben Martin of B&E Excavating. This 2024 system design was featured in Onsite Installer Magazine. Check the link in the description below to learn more. We reused the 3 existing precast tanks, using the first 2 as trash tanks and converting the third, a dosing tank, into the first Sludgehammer treatment tank. I then proposed 4 all-new 2,000-gallon treatment tanks, each equipped with 2 SludgeHammer S-86 aerobic bacteria generators. The new 2,000-gallon clarifier is equipped with 2 SludgeHammer RCP1 recirculating pumps, each delivering about 1.5 gallons per minute 24 hours a day, for a total recirculation of 4,320 gallons from the clarifier back to the first treatment tank. The 2,000-gallon quadplex dosing tank with its 4 pumps pumps the effluent to each of the 3 new mound systems. The 4th pump pumps back to the inlet of the aerobic treatment units, the existing ones, which are no longer functioning and are now used as additional clarification. Our plan was to rejuvenate the failed mound with aerobic bacteria-rich Sludgehammer-treated water. Let's check in with Ben and his installation. The sandy soil, shallow seasonal high water table, and recent heavy rains provided lots of challenges when setting the tanks. Here, Ben is preparing one of the 10 SludgeHammer S-86 aerobic bacteria generators for installation. Here's a view of the quadplex dosing tank still under construction. Each of the proposed Presby mound systems are 102 feet long by 25 feet wide. Each mound contains 700 linear feet of Presby pipe with serial distribution from a distribution box. The complete installation lasted a few days. I checked back after 2 weeks to see how the system was doing. The dip sample showed clean treated water with no septic smell whatsoever. Visit my website at septicdesign.com or contact me directly to learn more about my Indiana septic system design services. 2025 marks my 30th year as a professional septic system designer. A big shout out and thanks to all my clients. Have a great day and be sure to like this page to subscribe.